Hi, in this video, our focus is on secondary sevenths in minor keys. There are 6 different types of secondary 7 chords in harmonic minor keys. That is, major minor 7, half diminished 7, augmented major 7, minor 7, major 7, and full diminished 7. Let's look at this table. On the left-hand column, they are all triads. Combined with a 7th interval on top, will make the secondary 7 chords, and they have chord symbols. Sometimes there are equivalent for these chord symbols, and we'll take G as the root of these secondary 7 chords, and we'll name all the chord tones here. The first one is a major triad plus a major 7 interval. The chord symbol is a triangle 7, or uppercase M7 or MAJ7. This is called G major 7 chord, or G capital letter M7 or G MAJ7. The chord spells as GBD F sharp. The second type is minor minor 7, and we call it minor 7 chord. A minor triad plus a minor 7 interval on top. Small M7 as the chord symbol, an example of G minor 7 chord. It spells as G B flat D F. The third type is a diminished minor 7 chord, or we can call it half diminished 7 chord. This chord symbol is a circle with a slash 7, or just write a small circle and small m 7. Example, G half diminished 7. It spells as G B flat D flat F. The fourth type is minor major 7. It's a minor triad plus a major 7 interval. Example, G minor triangle 7 or G minor major 7. It spells as G B flat D F sharp. The fifth type is augmented major 7 chord. Chord symbol is a plus sign with a triangle 7. Example, G augmented major 7. It spells as GB D sharp F sharp. And the final type is a full diminished 7 chord. It is made up of a diminished triad plus a diminished 7th interval on top. The chord symbol is a 0 7. Example, G diminished 7. It spells as G B flat D flat F flat. We'll see that all these intervals between two notes are a minor third apart. Now let's look at E harmonic minor. The Roman numerals below are in the Trinity syllabus. It has lowercase and uppercase, but without any plus sign and no half diminished 7 sign and no triangle in the Roman numerals. But as you look at extended Roman numerals, you will have a clearer indication of the quality of the 7 chords. In Trinity syllabus, students are required to write the chord symbols on top and also the Roman numerals below. So just take note of all these. Let's look at the chord symbols. 1 7 is known as E minor triangle 7. It's according to the root of this chord. The second one is F sharp half diminished 7. The third chord is G augmented major 7. And the fourth one is A minor 7. The dominant 7, we cross it out because dominant 7 chord does not belong to secondary 7s. 6 7 is a C major 7 quality. And the final one is a full diminished D sharp diminished 7 chord. What about melodic minor? Melodic minor, we have the 6th note and the 7th note bass. In this case, it's the C sharp and the D sharp. We'll take note and we'll see what are the differences. For descending, the 6th and the 7th note are lowered, so the qualities of the chord also changed. So let's look at it. 1 7 is E minor major 7, same as harmonic minor. 2 7 is F sharp minor 7. It is changed because of the 6th note raise. The 3/7 is a G augmented major 7, same as harmonic minor. The 4th 7 changed the quality to dominant 7 quality because there is a C sharp, the 6th note raised. The 6th 7 becomes a half diminished 7 chord because the 6th note is in the root. And because the root has changed, so the sharp sign will be written at the left-hand corner. The 7th chord is a full diminished 7. It's the same as harmonic minor. Now look at the ascending scale. The first one is a E minor 7 because the leading note is lowered, so it becomes a minor quality. 7/7 becomes a dominant 7 quality because the root now is not raised. The 6/7 becomes a major 7 quality. For the 5 chord, usually we don't count, but here, because of the leading note is lowered, the quality will be changed. And here is a B minor 7, and the Roman numerals will become a lowercase 5. 4/7, right now there's no more C sharp, that is the 6th note lowered. Quality becomes A minor 7. It's a minor 7 chord. 3/7, it's a major 7 quality, G, B, D, F sharp. And the final one is a half diminished 7, which is different from the ascending scale. You may be a little bit overwhelmed if this is the first time you tackle with all these secondary 7 chords. But let's go back to the table and spend some time to revise and study and practice on different keys and different notes. Then you will get used to it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful or interesting, please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.